So guys, today we are going to unbox the pet cleaning brush. So its name is Smart Pet Selfie Cleaning Clicker Brush, ordered from Amazon. So here you can see it is look like this and come in this packet. So now I will take it out and take the brush out. So here is our tiger pet. So this is the brush, first and back side, upside, size, and here is our tiger, German Shepherd. So here I have taken it out and now I will brush it. You can see there are bristles coming out of this brush, and you can close them and again out them. So here you can see I have out them, and press the button, red one button, and then do inside, it will go, and then you can clean the hairs that are stuck between the brushes. So here I am going to do my pet. If you like this videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. So here you can see first he is biting, after some time he is enjoying this, and now we have to do it like this on his whole body so that all the hairs can come out. Here you can see many hairs have been come out. You can see there are lots of. Now we have to take down this brush and now take out, and here you can see he is doing very quietly. If you want to buy this brush, you can buy from the description link. Be aware that the brush don't touch its eyes, or it can harm the eyes. So now again you can see how so many hairs have been come out. Now I have down the bristles, and by pressing this red button and doing it back, and now we can take it out very easily. Yes, like this. Now we have to take out the brush, the hairs. You can see. Please subscribe and like our channel and press the bell icon.